Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we'll walk you through the logic and structure of the Par LotsX EA, built using FXdreema, the no-code platform for creating powerful Forex expert advisors. This EA combines two key trading concepts, pin bar price action and martingale money management, with a custom lot size logic we call LotsX. The strategy starts by identifying a pin bar candle, either bullish or bearish, based on the relationship between candle wicks and body size. The EA filters valid signals by checking if the candle body is smaller than a defined percentage of the full candle size, a common trait of strong reversal pin bars. Once a signal is detected, the EA executes a trade using a fixed lot size or a dynamic LotsX multiplier for martingale-style progression. The martingale logic is triggered if a trade is in drawdown by more than a defined number of pips. When that condition is met, the EA looks for another valid pin bar in the same direction and opens a larger position using the LotsX value, helping to recover losses faster. It also includes logic to detect nearby trades to avoid duplicate entries, close positions when a profit target is reached in pips, and reset lot variables for the next trading cycle. As always, this EA is a strategy automation tool, not a plug-and-play profit machine. You should deeply understand the trading logic, risk, and expected behavior before applying it to live markets. Make sure to backtest it using 99.9% tick data with variable spreads to verify performance under real trading conditions. For more EA builds like this, subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS and check out our playlist, Build a Forex EA Robot No Code, FXdreema. Thanks for watching, and let's continue learning and building smarter trading systems together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like to see a backtest or improvement for this EA.